Hi, my name is Allison. I'm with Cherry Tree Beads, and today I'm going to show you how to make our earrings for the Black Horn earring kit. These are the earrings we're going to make today. You've got everything in the kit that you need to make these earrings. We've got our black bone horn-shaped pendants, 4mm stainless steel jump rings, some oval links, brass ear wires, some brass faceted link components, and some black jade faceted rondelles for the little dangle. For this, I'm gonna go ahead and use some flat nose pliers and some chain nose pliers, but you can use whatever pliers are most comfortable for you. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna attach the bone pendant to the oval link. Then I'm gonna make a little dangle drop with these components here. And then the third step to making these earrings is to attach both of those drops to the ear wire. So it's pretty simple. So let's go ahead and start with this part. We're gonna grab a jump ring. And we're gonna open it by just twisting it toward you. Then we'll put on the pendant and the little oval link, and then close it by twisting it again. So that's the first part. Just gonna set that to the side. Then we're gonna do the second part, which is this little dangle with the dyed jade. We're gonna open the jump ring. Now these little jades here will fit right on the jump ring, but they are pretty tiny, so it might just take a little bit of finesse there. But you only need it on just that much. And we'll take our little faceted component, put that right on the end, just like that. And then we'll twist it closed. We'll close that just a little bit more. There we go. Then that's our second little drop. Then we're gonna take those two and just attach them to the ear wire. So we'll grab another little jump ring. Twist it toward you like that. We're gonna grab our jump ring, grab the ear wire and put the jump ring on there. We'll get our long bone dangle and put that on there. And then our other little drop, just right on the end. And there we have our little bone earring. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and put the other earring together really quick. And there we go. These are really great earrings. They look awesome and they're super lightweight. Really versatile. There you go. You can find these kits and all of the materials at cherrytreebeads.com. Thanks for watching.